basic cable on how you fix that. TV utilization on idle. Some idle. So first thing you do is go to end the software. Now you go to record stream and turn this off. And boom. That's how we're gonna fix it. See?